You know one bird, chatak? You don't know. In India, these chatak birds are there. Like these white birds creating sound. You know, in India now these birds are there. Sea birds.
Yeah.
White birds.
Seagulls.
Yes. Chatak is like that. And they are just flying here, but chatak is going far. The chatak birds will die. But the birds will not drink any river water or any water, the pond water or water from the sea. Only rain water. Only rain water. Therefore, they are faced towards rain or towards sky, always sounding. Jump, 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 jump. We are like that. We will die, but we will never give up. Guru's shelter, holiness shelter. We are not advancing, it is not in our hands. What we can do? We will try our best. You are using your English word, I will try my best. Why not in Krishna consciousness? Try your best. But we will not give up shelter of holiness or Guru.